the hurricane. The stores were crazy empty. No water. As a matter of fact, from they announced the strike the other day, there was actually not much on the shelf. And so with the storm, it was even worse. The shelf clear. So there's no water, no tissue as usual, and all these things. But the hubby is hard at work. Yesterday, we did. Oh, you turn this thing again. Flip camera. Yesterday, we did the front. So the front and all the windows were done yesterday, and so we're doing this now. So we actually will not even be able to ask. A while ago, the male person came and they had to be knocking on the aluminum in the front. And we heard like in order to drop off the package, because we literally are sealed inside. Most of our neighbors too are doing likewise. My neighbor next door, he is actually boarding up his and this is what we are
the good thing about
we're covering the sliding door.
The good thing about our setup is that we still have use of the back patio. When most people have to stay inside and guard their sliding door, we can actually open the sliding door and come out.
Yeah, we still can. Yeah. So we're actually protecting the sliding door, but
yeah, the entire back
because
patio.
everything is gonna be sealed off, we can still come around here and chill. You know. But we have light. Oh, if light don't go away, we can come around the back patio and chill. But if light go away, baby. But so this is the system. It's actually individual sheets of aluminum, like so. So can you imagine the amount of work to put them up?
Best case scenario is that you waste your time and put them up. Worst case scenario, you don't put them up and your house blow down. You know what I mean? Or you experience damage.
Yes, but yeah, better to be safe than sorry. Period. So guys, if you are anywhere in the path of Hurricane Milton, please don't take it lightly.
Milton and him friend them.
Yeah, I haven't really dug or delved deep into the reason, but they are saying, the experts are saying it's like a historic storm, a historic hurricane. I'm not sure for what reason, if it's the strongest, the widest, the biggest, what is historical about it, but I don't want to find out.
So not even 30 minutes after we put up the shutter, guess what happened, guys? A tornado touched down in our neighborhood, just a couple streets around from our house. These are images that I capture when I put my camera right up to the little peephole on the shutter. So you're seeing the back of my yard. And I promise you, it was not only scary by virtue of that the tornado was so close, but it sounded heavy, it sounded scary, it was terrible. And so I don't know what we're gonna see happen later on. And this is, remember, Milton is not even close yet. You understand? This is just, I don't even know if it's outer bands, but what has been happening is that Florida has been inundated with tornadoes. Over 60 different tornadoes touched down in Florida. Big, small, indifferent. So guys, we just keep it as much as possible, tight and compact, and praise that everything goes well with everybody. And yeah, make sure the aftermath after this storm ease off a little bit. The last bout of thunderstorms and a couple of tornado warnings was issued as well. And this is how it looks. As soon as it eases up, we come out. So we have a little bit of flooding going on. Street in the lower section here, the upper section not really flood, but the lower section, you know. So keep you posted as the day goes on. Yeah, everything. We had a severe thunderstorm warnings and tornado warnings. Overall, is about 60 tornado warnings was issued between last night to today. And just in the afternoon here, we had about 4 different tornadoes touching down in our local area. One was pretty close, just a couple roads up. But yeah, keep on the guys posted, yeah man.